Welcome back, everybody. Time to check out precipitation across the area over the next several days. And again, we're going to start off with Saturday. Keep in mind we have a cold front moving in for the afternoon and the evening. Could see some more strong to severe storms. The front by later Saturday evening, lining up pretty close to Chicago or Indianapolis and then working its way off towards the north and east over towards Erie, Pennsylvania. Out ahead of it, showers and storms will be likely across all of west central Pennsylvania on Saturday. Some of the storms could have some high winds and some hail because behind this, we're looking at a lot of cold air coming in from Canada. Not cold, but certainly much cooler than what we've had over the past several days. Temperatures at night returning to the low to mid 50s and daytime highs in the mid 70s. So that is quite a difference, but it's seasonable for early to mid June. That is exactly what we're going to see as we get into Sunday. Well, fast forward 24 hours. Storm system going to bring the cooler air in, moves its way over towards New England. Back here into Pennsylvania, we're dealing with high pressure, and that's going to start to set us up for some sunshine and some nice, comfortable days as we get into the early parts of the new week. All the heat that we've been having begins to get shoved back off towards the south and west and stays in this general area as we get into the weekend and early next week. But it looks like towards the second half of next week, we could see another piece of that break off and head its way towards Pennsylvania. Monday afternoon, it's a very temperate pattern where it's a zonal flow across the area. Storm systems coming in, weak ones traversing the country. Not looking at any kind of big precipitation amounts, and temperatures will stay a few degrees either side of seasonal norms. We'll get into Tuesday. You can see what's going on back off to the west. We're seeing another warm front developing out in the parts of the plains with that, showers and storms. And by the time we get into Wednesday afternoon, this begins to head its way off towards the north and east. Warm front lining up through there, and that will bring in an increase in the heat, it looks like, towards Thursday and especially Friday of next week. But up until then, enjoy the break in the heat and the humidity as we have some temperatures returning to seasonal levels the next several days.